Making the final step up to partner is hard. Not only do you need to excel in the day job and hit your billable targets, but you need to find time to grow your own practice, win your own clients, create your own high-performing team, then create your business case, then articulate and pitch your business case to your partners. And if that wasn't enough, you then, particularly if you're in a big firm like a Big Four accountancy firm, you need to go through a grueling partner track process. Progress to Partner is a membership site that will give you the knowledge and confidence to fly through this final step to partner. It's like a Netflix for your career in the professions. Find what you need to watch or read at the time you need it. All our on-demand courses are there. And you can save time by following our game plans where we've curated the content you need to help you at the right time. You can even watch our quick win videos when you only have a few minutes but need some guidance. And our premium members can join our monthly workshops. Now, in Progress to Partner, you'll find on-demand courses on how to create and articulate your business case, recordings, checklists on how to ace your partner panel interview, on-demand courses on how to win the right kind of clients, and proven advice to do it all. And the best thing? Annual premium membership of Progress to Partner costs less than an hour of executive coaching. Yep, less. There's over 100 members of Progress to Partner. Can your career afford not to join them? See you on the other side.